Is that the book you're looking for? Was that the book you're looking for, darling? What? Oh, he says I'm not sure if that's the right book or not. Let me look. Not sure. Is that the book you want, darling? Huh? Oh, he says this is a good one. Maybe I should look at this one instead. Oh, yes, he says. Oh, yes, maybe that's the best book to read right now. Oh, yes, maybe I'll read the book myself, he says. Oh, that's a good one. That's Maisie and the Fire Truck. You think maybe that's the one you want to chomp on? Huh? Is that the fire truck book you like? I think it is. I think that's the one you like. That's one of your favorites, isn't it? Oh, he says it is, but it's just not the one I'm looking for right now. I wonder how I could get up there. I wonder how that would work. Are you all done? Are you all done cleaning off the bookshelf? Huh? Can you read the book to Graham? Can you read it? Oh, yes, you can read that book to Nan, can't you? Yes, you can. Yes. Oh, mercy sakes. It's a bad cough. It says if I could just figure out how to get those books up there, it would be much better. Okay, we'll say that's the end of this video for today. We'll send this one to Aunt Beverly.